Hello everybody. For those of you who haven't seen me in a while, I was on a much needed hiatus. Some people are sending me some videos that people are quoting me. So if you're gonna quote me, please quote me properly. This is How Hatchy, your girl live. Just a quick tip about when you're trying to do lady. You have to kind of stretch the lady. And then when you say they appreciate it, it's gotta be deep. The B's have to be on point and the aided has to be on point. So for example, lady, don't you know you are appreciated? Aided. It's in the aided. So that's just a tip. I love you all.